Son teacheran ag go bhfuil tíistin is chicas mar ha a cha chicas trí bhíon béirde agus ag go bhfuil skillan galig mianoch ást ha chom an gaisan bliana a chuseachad i dteanna cuasa sanna skillan canan a thos go iad sanna bhí giúsach go me géin chicas trí bhíon galig agus bhí deanna gris críamhachas an na clasichin trí bhíon galig so go le na trí di chéile chanan chicas sa glas agus I giúsach go mochicas trí bhíon galig ha I cuasa seo buca canan fatúine in gift Gaelic immersion for teachers ha cuasa sin a meaching fat bliana agus ha chom suasco génar a bhí a cuasa sin.
My name is Joanna McPeak and I work here at the University of Strathclyde in the School of Education and I am the coordinator of the Gaelic Immersion for Teachers course. The course is for qualified teachers who have an intermediate level of Gaelic and who are interested in working in Gaelic medium schools, but their Gaelic isn't good enough for them to go straight to doing that and therefore they need an intensive language course which helps them to get up to the standard that would be needed to teach all day through Gaelic.
Is mi sure Scott agus ha mi Janov an course of bugi like Czechis ag Olhai Strathclyde. Táisic mé gan se Gaelic sin go trí bliana ras agus ha mi géri Czechis Krajchev agus docha felsnach tréména Gaelic. Ha mi ferichin becan ecolach agus nervasach ach ha mi coia tiradris. Smeach mé can be gama agus sportial.
Ha mi sminach gré cuasa a ha seo a ha sin rú féimach géad san gréis. Wanna vi gopran na Scott na tuáilte ha mi sé feicin go bhfuil dúine ann ag bhfuil uas a Gaelic, cúit ag bhfuil Gaelic ag ire stoch fan ring ag córa agus a chanan, for acht farach ile a ferach gin cumas go leras na bhí chicas as a chanan. Agus fa mi a conis min de cawla a bhaim go dúine seo an cuairt ach nach rot a feraching an bunningaibh dat a chud rí fildum trafíd na Gaelic. Agus níise ha na dúine seo a fine chom sin a dhéanamh.
People who come on this course have very varied histories of learning Gaelic in the first place. Some people have very good oral language skills but perhaps didn't attend Gaelic medium education themselves and are primarily concerned about their ability to read and write in Gaelic and to teach formal aspects of the language. Other people have studied the language as adult learners and have done a lot of formal courses but haven't had as many opportunities to speak the language. So they come in with quite different needs, but we're envisaging that everybody will go out, as I said, competent to teach in a Gaelic language classroom.